Now that the Nanocure is unboxed, it's time to set it up. Before starting, you really want to make sure the Nanocure is in an open space with a good airflow. The Nanocure uses heat and LED lights to cure the resin. How it works is the device pulls in air from the back here and uses it to heat and cool the curing chamber before releasing the air from excess vent here at the front. Pretty cool, huh? Because of this, you also want to keep it away from sunlight or direct heat sources. Let's start by adding the glass to the curing tray. Be careful handling this, since it should be spotless. If the glass is too dirty, the UV light cannot shine through, and your restoration will not cure properly. It looks easy to clean though. Just pop the glass out, clean it, and put it in. Simple enough. Now we just need some power. Once it's powered up, just connect to the Wi-Fi and follow the prompts to log in to your Straumann Access account. And now we're good to go. I don't know about you, but I'm ready to see the workflow in action. Let's go!